Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will take a look at how to set up APM on Windows platform. So we will go step by step in this. As a first step, we need to install JDK. So for that, you go to Google, and the current version which I have installed is JDK 1.8. Type in JDK 1.8 download and choose the first link. Go further down, choose the platform which is Windows in my case, and it is 64-bit, and click on this to download. So once you download this, the installation is straightforward. You click next, 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 and then the JDK will get installed. The folder which I have chosen is the default folder, which is C program files, Java, and JDK. Okay, so this is my base folder where my JDK got installed. As a second step, we need to install Android Studio. For installing Android Studio, again go back to your Google and search for Android Studio Win 10 download. Okay, and click on the download Android Studio link. And this is the download link for Android Studio, and this is 3.6.2 for Windows 64-bit. Again, click on this to download it. Since I have already downloaded it and installed it, the installation is again straightforward. You click next, 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 and the installation will get completed. Once the installation is complete, then you need to see whether the installation is successful or not. For that, go and search for Android Studio on your machine, and it will open up Android Studio. Even though we have installed Android Studio, we are not going to use Android Studio IDE for developing our test cases. Instead, we are going to use Eclipse. Okay, so this is how the Android Studio looks like. The only thing which we are going to use here is the AVD manager, that is Android Virtual Device Manager, to create our Android virtual device. And the next step is to install Android SDK. From the same page where you have downloaded Android Studio, if you go further down, there is a section called Command Line Tools only. And from here, we have downloaded the SDK Tools package for Windows platform. And since this is a zip file, I have extracted that to a particular folder on D drive. I have called the folder as Android SDK. So these are the tools which comes with this command line tools for Windows. Okay, so this is the SDK which we have downloaded. Okay, as a next step, we need to install Node.js. Again, go to Google and search for Node.js Win 10 download and click on the first link, and there is a Windows installer here, and select this Windows installer, download it, and again the installation is straightforward. Once Node.js is installed, you open a command prompt and use this npm install apm to install apm. So what we need to do is open up a command prompt and then type in npm install -g apm. So this is the command which you need to type in to get apm installed. Okay, so that is the next step which you need to follow. And for the client software, we need to use Selenium Java. As we have seen in the previous session, that for the client, we can use the libraries, Selenium libraries, either on Java, Ruby, Python, PHP, C Sharp. So here we are interested in Selenium Java library. So this is the version which I have downloaded, and this is the library. So again, copy this and search for Selenium Java library. Okay, so if you go to org seleniumhq.selenium, and from there you can download the jar file. To download the jar file, under file section you have pom and jar. So you need to select jar and download it. As a next step, we need to also have apm Java client. Okay, again go to Google and search for apm Java client and click on the link which goes into apm.io. Okay, so these are the client libraries which are available. The one which we are interested is the Java library. Click on Java. And this is the Java client library with the latest version of 7.3.0. So there's a download link here. This will be downloaded as a jar file. We need to have this jar also, which is called commons lang, and this is the jar file which I have downloaded. Again, go back to Google and then search for this. Either you can get it from Maven repository or from apache.org. So I have downloaded it from here, Maven repository. Again, this is a jar file. Okay, so these are all the software which we need to download to get apm setup. Okay, apart from this, we need to make sure that we have Java home path set up in environment variable as well as Android home. Okay, so what I have here is, to this PC, go to properties, advanced settings, environment variable, and under Java home, what I have is C program files Java JDK 180_161. So this is where our JDK, as a first step, we got it installed. So this is the base path for the JDK folder. Okay, and Android home, we have set it to D Android SDK folder. We have Android SDK, so we downloaded this Android SDK as step 3, and then we have put that in D Android SDK folder. So this is the base folder, and this is what we need to provide under Android home. Apart from this, there will be some path set. If there is no path set, we need to have this bin folder for Java as well into this. Okay, so earlier under Java home we had C program files Java JDK 1.8.0_161. So that was our base folder. Apart from that, we need to have this bin folder to be added to our path environment variable. Once this is set, let us see how to verify each of them. First, we will verify whether we have installed JDK correctly or not. Open up a command prompt and type in javac. So we should be getting all these options. Okay, again type in Java, and you should be getting these options. So there are two things which we need to check. One is Java C and Java. The other one is to check whether Node.js is installed correctly or not. So type in Node. Okay, we should be getting this prompt along with the version of Node.js installed. And to check whether APM is installed correctly or not, type in APM. And you should be getting this message, welcome to APM, and it should start a listener here. Okay, so that means our setup is correct. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.